Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, welcome and feel free to subscribe. On today's video is a special video, guys. I'm coming live and clear from the village over here in Kenya, to be specific, Isibania Nyabohanse village over here. Deep in the village, it's deep in the village, as you see over here in this amazing beautiful green lush over here. So today, it's always every day we just give you a clear update about what is going on this project over here. So today we are going to do what we call like to pour the slab. If you know what the slab is, slabbing. So guys, please pay much attention, subscribe, like, share and leave a sweet comment. And today, please help me subscribe, share this video each and every single day, man. I really appreciate your love and support. Remember, we're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Positivity all time, peace, love and unity. So on this other end, I'll be giving you a quick tour of what we have done so far, and then I'll just give you a quick tour also of what we have done after. So before that, the stones that were here already, we cleared them on this other end. We brought yesterday a machine that will help us to mix what we call like the concrete. Starting from this side, we have ballast, we have sand, we have bricks or blocks over here. On top of this sand, we're going to shift. This is a machine, you know, we have a machine over here, it's called a mixer. So this one will be helped to mix will help us to mix the concrete and the sand, for us to have a very good residue, or a very good what we call like ratio, from having the mixer and then having the ballast and the sand and also cement over there. So also we have this machine, a poker. This is called a poker. So this one, it helps to compress what we call like the concrete down. So yesterday we were doing what we call like putting up the level, and also on this other end, okay, so on this other end we are also compacting it with what you call like maram. And this maram, we told you we were just harvesting it from this septic tank over here. So we are harvesting it from down here, and then it was shifted to this end over here. That's why you see it's like a very flat area. At the same time, today we are having what we call like piping of the toilets. We have to be fixed over here. We have to be fixed so that the moment you are pouring it, later on we will not be doing what we call like breaking again the house. So we want to complete everything over here. So on this end, let me share with you. Hey, I'll not jump, so I'll jump from this other end. Yeah, we'll be sharing with you. So yesterday we were leveling. Is leveling or levelizing? There's nothing like levelizing. We were making a level, something like that. We were making a level of this. So as you see, it has what we call like a very nice and flat. So from there we will put this. This is a DPC paper, you know. It always used to do what we call like cover and avoid the moisture from coming to the walls. So this one, it will be laid. It will be laid down here, all of this place, so that it can prevent, maybe if it rains too much. That's why you see most of the houses fall down, or most of the houses in the wall, they start to have what we call like the moisture, or maybe you painted your house and sometimes it start to go out. It's because they never used this in the house. So the way you see this one, it will be laid down, and then from there we'll be pouring the slab. But for now, whatever we are doing here is we are just fixing the plumbing. So on this side, so that the moment now, the day that we'll be doing what we call like fixing what we call like the house, there's no way again coming to dig out the house, to demolish the house. Mostly that's what usually happens in the houses. Most houses, you build a house without consulting the plumber, or without consulting the electrician or any engineer. So sometimes you find that in the house there's month when there's what we call like when it rains, you find that your house, the paint is off. Also you find that your drainage is not well in the house, it's because you never consulted the engineer or the plumber at the first time. So with us here, we never wanted to mess, so that's why we saw it's good to consult, to bring the engineer here who deals with the plumbing, to bring also an electrician who deals with the electricity. Both of them are here, so that they can also help us decide what to do over here. Yeah, we're not going to go just things blindly. So yeah, this is what you see. Itatosha hii nyumba yote. So this is what you see. It's going deep, deep. It's going deep on the other end. So this one will be laid in the house, all of the place in the house, all over. Anatoguri yende tata. So it will be laid. Anatoguri yende manababa ika. So that one will be laid deep down. And also we have this, it's called radiator. This one, it will be poured down so that it can prevent all these kind of animals you see here, or pests that you see here, you see, so that it cannot, whenever maybe you see what we call like an anthill, it cannot pass here. Reason being, we are going to pour this all over the foundation, so that even if the anthills will come, they will just die. The moment they smell this, they die down. So, and also we are still fixing the machine, so that after this, everything is going to be well. So everybody is setting, the engineer is setting his own stuff, the plumber is setting his own stuff, electrical engineer is also there to just see whatever everything will pass, and we see. All right, it's early morning, and the machine is being set. As you see, we are setting up the machine, the mixer, and the boys are coming for the tea. Yeah, so guys, already they have mixed the radiator. It's over there now, it's clean. So the only thing that we are here is fixing the what you call like the toilet. We have two toilets over here. The one is over here already fixed. Over here it will go, and then there we fix a manhole outside. On this other end, also the engineers, the plumber has already done his stuff. The other toilet over here outside. And we are the true boy here, 208, man.
Yeah man.
Good morning, bro.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, bro.
Kuna vitano. Yeah.
So there is a guy who told me, true boy, I like how you are whistling. So let me whistle.
Yeah. You know how to whistle?
Yeah.
What's that kind of song?
So
can you write it down? Can you write the lyrics of that? What's
yes,
it?
I can write.
Write the.
But it's not good for me to write for them.
Yes. Do you know the you can write the lyrics of?
No, I can't write. So is there anybody who can write? Can say that and write.
Comment down below, guys. The lyrics of.
Yeah. Like that. So guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching us from.
Yeah.
We are from Africa, Kenya, and it's very early in the morning.
Yeah.
And you can see we are still working over here and there.
The work is still going on, man.
Yeah, the work is still ongoing.
The lumber is just doing the lumbering. The plumber is doing the plumbing. The mason is just doing the masoning. And we are here
and
also
the CJ is
doing the CJs. And the truth was doing the truth.
Yeah, always true.
Absolutely, guys.
So thank you so much, guys.
Yes.
Welcome to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please just hit that subscription part, so that you can at least
add the subscription,
the 30K.
Yeah, you know? For sure.
When we hit 30K, I'm telling this. Hey, you will see fire.
We will celebrate.
We will celebrate.
Big celebration, you know.
Celebrate. You know, that's Peace Boy.
We celebrate like Peace Boy, you know. We'll invite Peace Boy for the party.
Peace Boy for the celebration.
Yeah.
So we are so happy. We are working over here in my site.
Yeah.
Blessed house.
Absolutely.
This is blessed house.
Absolutely, man. It's
so
very
and I also give thanks 100% to Claude Joseph for supporting me.
Thank you,
because
man.
he's
You're
really
welcome.
helping me so much. There are other stuffs that he tells me you have to do this, and I see it's a good idea. And most of the time, he's the one. He goes to. He knows the people of who collects construction material like sand, ballast, hardcores, you know. So he has been calling them, telling them, oh, bring this and this and this, you know. One of the best. So with us here, I'm grateful to him, guys. When today's me, tomorrow is him.
Absolutely,
So
man. Much
when
thanks.
he will
And
start,
God willing, man.
expect True Boy to be there. You know.
100%, bro. Let's give thanks to Almighty God.
Me
Yeah,
to be there.
for sure,
So
man.
with us here,
Yeah.
today we are going to pour what you call like
The slab.
concrete.
The slab, yeah.
Yeah, syrup.
Yeah.
Syrup.
Yeah.
Not syrup. Syrup is medicine.
It's slab,
Slab, yeah.
not syrup.
No, I said syrup because you know I'm a
You're doctor.
So
Dr. True Boy. He says syrup.
syrup.
Yeah, you know,
always
always say, everybody with his own department.
Yes.
Yeah,
So,
for sure.
Sometimes yeah, some of the terminologies
Yeah,
they are like synonyms.
synonyms.
So you can just like say
Slab and then
instead
syrup.
now syrup, you know, these things. Because we've been seeing syrup, we've been writing to people, go and buy syrup. Yeah, that's how.
But this is a
So,
slab of LA.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So for us, we are going to pour slab
Yeah.
today in
Yeah,
our house.
Yeah.
Then we'll we'll show you maybe.
Yeah, let's move. Let's move because you know, guys, they have poured the radiator over here.
Oh yeah.
So the wind is blowing on this ice. So the moment they have poured it down to prevent the termites, so the wind is still blowing on this other end. That's the reason why we have moved from the other side. Yeah. But bro, congratulations. You know, it's very rare for people find people building this at home. Some people just go far away from home. Some people maybe get money, they squander the money. Yeah, man. If they never did this on their age, I hate them there. But you said, man, I wanna come back home and just put this at home. Actually, it has changed the view. Guys, you know, here we're like, people ask, hey, do True Boy open the school? You say we have a lot of people working over here, and that it has created job opportunity, which is a very good thing to the youths over here. And also it has reduced what we call, like, maybe somebody was maybe planning to go and maybe do something else, maybe in a bad way, but now the moment he's here, he's getting also motivated, like, oh man, Juma finished school and now he graduated and he's building a home, to the mom, to the family. So those who are just passing over here every single day are like, even me, I want to study hard, to go to school, graduate, and also come back home and build. So, you know, that is a part of motivation. You might think this is only for you, but it's not for you. It's for the whole community.
Wow.
Not only the whole community, but also the people who are watching us worldwide. They're like, oh man, this guy graduated the other day and he's coming back to appreciate. The moment you do this, even if you go, you just now give you space. Okay, let me invest, because now I have built house for mom. I can go back home and stay comfortably without any ups and downs.
For sure.
So the good thing is you can go and start now doing more investment on the other way.
Oh, wow.
So it's really what we call like a good thing at this tender age. You know, it's very rare. There's those who have been maybe at their 50s and have been working so hard, maybe having money, but they have no idea of building. They have no idea of coming back home and doing this. But with you this, I give you a hand, man, for that, man. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah,
so much,
man.
bro.
So
which is good.
Yeah.
You know, my plan was at least to change. You know, when I've been studying,
yeah,
my aim
yeah,
was at least to change my home
my home
background,
narrative,
you
yeah,
know?
for sure.
So when at least we have an opportunity to do it,
Yeah,
let's do it for sure.
for sure, man. Yeah,
So you know, there are some people maybe today they will say,
yeah,
when I'll get money, I'll have to buy this.
yeah,
But when they get the money,
yeah,
they just go to the clubs,
yeah,
and enjoy
and
themselves.
enjoy, maybe,
you know?
for sure.
But
Just
with me, with us over here,
Yeah.
I thank God for having good friends.
for sure. Yeah, man.
I think all of my friends.
Yeah, engineer, nakusumbua. Hii ni kiki moja. Count. All this for me.
Yes.
The wire is done. The problem of the... So you pull it with the nguvu, my friend. You can pull it with the nguvu and then... The kamba to oka.
Hey, just that way and then... Now you are a pro.
Yeah, you have to be a pro, a little one. Just you know, these are things you just look manually and you're done with it. So, one thing I'm saying, like, it's very nice and great that you are working over here. Now, you know, today is a very hard work today. So people are going to work here very hard because they're going to pour the slab. Yeah. Mekunywa chai? Eh? So I'll just give them a surprise because today it's a hard work. For sure. I'm going to surprise them that I'm going to buy them the tea today. So let me see. Junior, tuinyosha kabisa mwisho mpaka mwisho kwanza ingine. Kidogo. Nyoke kabisa irare wima. Yeah, you know this one. The moment is this way. Yep. Haijafika mwisho engineer. Bado. Vuta juu.
Vuta juu. Vuta yako juu. Bado haijafika.
Paka mwisho. All this true boy. Mtafutie meno yao hapa. Usikie media. Achia. So that way. It's already fixed way. Is it on? No, put it on. No. Vuta tena. Acha. It's off. Just one kick. Vibrating. Oh, it's okay. See the way it is. It's very nice, guys. Kila mtu amekunywa chai? Kuna mwenye amelipa? Kuna mwenye amelipa? Nani? Sasa nawanunulia chai leo, sawa? Sawa. Weka ulikunywa ishatosha. Wenye nimenunulia sawa. Kila mtu amekula 50 ya chai. Sawa. Ita-convertiwa sehemu nyingine. Aye. So guys, I just told them because today we are doing a hard work. I just decided to buy them tea today so that they can work. They are very happy.
Indeed, we are very happy.
You are very happy? Yeah. How are you?
I've never seen a vibrator before.
So
I'm very happy
to touch a vibrator.
And operate the vibrator.
So today you'll be on the vibrator. You want to be vibrating over here. The slab.
We finish. We'll be thanking God.
What's your name, bro?
My name is Hanson Mwit.
Hanson Mwit. Yeah. Hanson.
What's up, man?
Guys, Hanson looked like one of oldest actors in Kenya called Ojuang.
Yeah.
Oh,
As
he
you can
always
see, I'm
put on
wearing.
Ojuang. Guys, if you used to watch Ojuang, this guy looks right
Yeah,
like
I'm
Ojuang.
like Ojuang, and my name here,
Eh,
I've been given my name as a Kofia man
Kofia man.
because of this Kofia and these fucking guys here.
All right, man. Okay, guys. These guys are happy because today they watched tea and they're very, very happy. Okay, let's see what will be happening on this other end. All right, guys. We want to set the machine somewhere. So the machine is being. The boys are working, man. Guys, we have arranged the work. I'm telling you, this is the most hectic place in a building or in building. This is the most hardest part. Also, if you're building what we call like a story building, the most hardest part where you feel the heaviness, it's here. It's the foundation where you're pouring a slab. Like here, look, we're having like a whole school, and now we are using this DPC paper to just cover it up. So the work is going to start right now. When you hear the machines crying right now, things are going to be fire on the other end. All right, over here. Machine inaanza kuwaka. Already the machine has started officially. Subiri kwanza mura maji ya kwa ndo hata nyandino ni aleka bai nyuma hariga mali biguru koyo ona So guys, this is what you see over here. The work is still ongoing and we keep on moving, man. We are working non-stop. We are working. Already the other material that you saw here, the ballast and the sand is already off. Now we have gone to the other side where we are moving actually. And already this is already ready, we can say so, because if you see here we are like 15 feet downwards. So the other side on this end, if you see really on this end, like there was a very big heap of ballast over here, but for now it still keep on moving. It's still going, and that's a good way of working. So the machines are moving. Boys are taking ballast from here, some are taking sand from here, some are fetching water from here, and things are really moving on well, you know. All right. What's happening over here on this other end? It's just going on one level to the other side. From here to the other side. Guys, construction has its own wonders. Reason being, the engineer approximates these stuffs. Like now we are adding more material like sand. And also they approximated about 100 cements. Now we are adding cements. You see, there's a car coming for cements, and already we are adding this. And tomorrow also we'll be having a truck coming for the fine, we call them fine ballast. Fine ballast is used mostly for the pillars. They're just tiny small stones. So like here we are just pouring sand over here. Mr. Boys are tired. We boys are tired. The trucks are giving us something. Toka toto gari nakuja hapo. Toka. So there's this car. It's also struggling to come. And also there's another one over here, guys. Hey, building in Africa. There's a one for cement that is coming over here. So let me check it. Oh, this guy is gonna. Where is he? Imagine this guy got lost. That's the problem of dealing with new people. So he was given a car to bring cements over here, and he got lost. He was just moving on the other side, so he's reversing. Let's see him. Oh, he's a new guy. Okay. Ingira na hapa boss. Building Mama Africa. Yeah, so guys, we are keep on moving with this, and this is what you see. Now the concrete is concreted with a lot of ballast, so we are now having a strong foundation over here. And then maybe in 7 days from now we will be doing putting up the bricks or the blocks until it's done. The dog just put a fingerprint over there. The dog left a fingerprint. So this is what you see over here, and the boys are really working from the other side. So since morning the work has been done all the way through, from this side all the way through, all the way, man. So it's only remaining the other side from this side, and things are really moving on in a good way, the way you see. So let's keep on moving, and let's keep on constructing, building Mama Africa. See you guys. Bye.
I want to second here. Good to see you, you Dave! Go and where are you? Yeah, Dave. Dave! Atom! Tuweke sasa. Kama ya tuna kulimeza hapo. Au kutigore bado kore kodere. They want to answer. They want some more. Yes. Kengera nunda tuna kimwege ndi. Ora nigango tegere kamera. Murora montara tankonekana ko kamera. Asikienda kuzungumza na kanya. Kuna kliniki hapa. Ready card? Yeah. Sige ready card ite wasatu wakati. Ora natemero niye. Ora natemero ya roiga aha besenti na ora wege toro. Yeah, ni ko mona. Una ke bara kore ba mani gan ko hasi. Onge English bro ata mjingu ata mkambu. Mara ro mumbi. Ungiona hapo
Juma. How is bado? Korani wa kusuma engineer. How is the job?
Na nili hapo. Rudi kata hapo anze ingine. Yes guys, so here we are. Thank you so much so much. Welcome again to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel. Here we are, and you can see we are still working. And CJ is over there doing an amazing. So here we are with my top mason engineer over here. We are doing he has done one of the amazing, as you can see. I'm so great, I'm so happy for this, you know. It was unexpected, by the way, but he has really tried today to make sure that the slab is done, the house is done. So what has remained over here is just to begin maybe setting. Then from there we are going to raise the wall. Now we are going to build with those stones over there, and the good thing is we already have stones over there. You know, we already have building stones, so we have to leave it at least for it to dry some days, or some days. At least a week is enough. At least a week, a full week is enough. Then we are going to do the setting, guys, you know. So that's how it is. And over here we are just summarizing, you know. We are almost done. Look, you know, we are almost done. Then from there we are going to close the job, you know. So let me stand, guys, so you don't say that, oh, True Boy, I don't know what. You see? Yes, not True Boy has a stand. This has a stand. Look, just look how the house is, guys. Just look how big the house is. Yes, guys, so this is the house now. This is the house. So maybe very soon we are going to partition them, and we'll see where this and this and this, and we'll see how everything gonna be, you know. On the other side is still wet. We are not going to step on it. You see? You can see when it's watered. It has water all around, you know. Yes. Now look. This is what is remaining here. This is how they level. Look. This is how they level. Then after there, look. Yeah. And that's how it is. And our top mason is afraid of camera. Fundi, unaogopa camera? So I'm asking our engineer whether our top mason, not engineer, our top mason, whether he fear camera, and he's telling me yes, so much. But these things, you know, when the right time comes, they adapt. You know, they say, now CJ here is coming. Say
guys,
something.
we're here.
Say something,
guys. The work is saying what we have done here today. The work itself is speaking. Hey, what's up, guys? We're back. I was busy over there sweating, building the nation. Now I'm almost done, and today we are winding up with the full happiness. For sure. Full sacks of happiness. 1,000 sacks of happiness. 1,000 tons of happiness, because now this was the most hardest part, and now we have overcome it. It's like an obstacle. You know, when you are building a foundation and you see it's over completed this way, now we are levelizing there, or we are leveling there, and then we want to be ending, and when we be ending, it will be a full force of happiness. And we say thank you so much, guys, because media has really inspired most of us, and media has really played a very big role in our life. Until to date, we are here, and we can't just stay and say, we did it, it's because of my hard work, it's because of this. No, we always say we are much grateful of you, because you sit down and watch us and motivate us through the biggest support of watching us. I really appreciate your love and support. So today we are here celebrating True Boy's big achievement. First day finishing the foundation. First step. Now here you start now counting first step. Now this is first step. What? This is the first step. Now going upwards to be day 2. putting bricks. Guys, we are now at the windows, day 3. We have now put the lintel, day 4. We are covering up the timbers, day 5. We are putting up the windows, window grills, day 6. We are putting up the doors, day 7. Roofing. We are putting up the roofing. Now day 8. We are in. Yes. So right guys, we are here already. You see, we actually, this also has played a very big role because the money we spent over here is as little,
more or less cheaper.
Yeah,
more
cheaper because the moment we could have gone and bought what we call like maram, it could have really broken our banks.
Almost 8 times.
8 times. But now we decided to play a very big tactic of, okay, let's use what we call like septic. At the same time, when we gain the septic, we gain also on the other end of the maram. As we lose the money, you know, now it was a big term. Losing the money as you dig, gaining 2 times. Already solving the septic, at the same time solving the maram. You know, so we are giving a very nice way, and thank you so much guys, and we really appreciate your love and support. So we'll be showing you what's going on last after everybody has gone. You know, like now we're having a small school here. It's maybe 208 school, 208 international school.
This is crazy guys, you know, like anyway, there are so many. You
You just go say hi guys, you're here. Go say good morning to class.
Let's start with the Arsenal guy here.
This guy is the captain.
The captain.
Yeah, top time.
You know any player of do you know any player from Arsenal? Guys, this is fun. You know, he's wearing Arsenal. Tell us one player of Arsenal.
One player.
Arsenal. You don't know, guys. So, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, how are you?
I am fine.
You have to say you are not fine because you are tired.
Yeah.
So don't worry. So here we are all, and I think people are now tired. People are tired. Let's not overload them with maybe a lot of talking. You know. Yeah, and that's how it is. So, but anyway, we are done. By the way, we are done. I really thank God for this. Yeah, now we are done. That's why you can see everything here is not. Look, everything is not. Everything is well done. Yeah, stay tuned. One love.
So guys, the machine is sleeping now. It's sleeping, and we are done. Thank you, Mr. Machine, for working for us, for breaking the monotony, for helping us. Thank you, because we could have still up to now we could be doing the manual work. So we are done, and this is what you see over here. Up to Daisy. I'm calling this guy because we want to collect that. Daisy, Joe. We want to collect this cover, you know. So we are done with this, and now this is what you see. So from here, maybe next week and a few days from now, we'll be clearing and starting with the blocks until we see where it will be going. Decided to kunja hii kitu. So this is what you see over here. So we can just finish the work and we see what's going on around. Thank you so much guys, I really appreciate your love and support, and finally we just did it over here, and I'm appreciating your love and support, and let's make the dream of True Boy come true, man, the way you see it over here. Thank you guys, and remember we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, and I will appreciate it. From here to the amazing way, we say bye bye guys, bye, love you.